do this. Welcome, game developers and modelers, I guess, to Doug Teaches Blender. Yes. Okay, so this tutorial is just going to be real short and simple. Straight and to the point. So what I'm going to do is essentially, for starters, uh, let's say, let's say you have an image that you want to import as a plane. Now, in my dev vlog, that oh wait, actually yeah. So in my devlog that'll later come out, because I was modeling a bunch of interiors for East Village. It's nonsense that I don't want to get into. I imported it as I imported an image as a plane. How to do that is you just go to Edit, Edit, Preferences, and in Add-ons, Image. Yeah, import export image as planes. So you you essentially, what is going on with my interface? You essentially want to make sure that this box is ticked. So we go to File. What the fuddle cake is? Okay. Images as planes. That's weird. Maybe your graphics card's dying. I'll just go to reference art. And what do I want to import as a plane? Um, uh, mm, all right, let's do a bolter. Okay, so obviously you can't see anything. That's because it's not shaded. We have to take the shaded box. There we go. What the fuck is going on? Well, I know Premiere's rendering right now, so there's that. And a bunch of other things running in the background. Anyway, so let's scale this up. Okay, so you imported image as a plane. Are we done? I want to say maybe, but like at the very least, let's actually try to model out this bolt gun. So while in object mode, I'm going to hit Shift A to add, go to mesh, cube. Oh man, this thing really is pissing me off, isn't it? Now I'm going to hit G to move, but I'm not going to I'm not going to hit GZ or any of that because since I'm in the top viewport, I'm just going to hit G and it'll move the object based on the view. So right now I'm good. Okay, now what? Now what we can do is actually start modeling this bolt gun. And to do that, I'm just going to hit Shift, middle mouse button, move up. I'm not going to give it the crosshairs, but what I am going to do is I'm going to go into edit mode, and I'm going to I'm going to hold down Alt, select these as well, select the, fine. You want to do it that way, Blender? We'll do it that way. Make sure that they're, okay. Top, and then I'm just going to hit GY. Wait. GY. I want to try to get this bolt gun best I could. Now I'm going to hit 3. I'm going to hit this polygon, hit that face, go back to my Z, and go back to my Z, and then I'm going to extrude this bad boy. I'll make sure that I have enough for the clip. And now I'm going to hit E again to get that, so that way the holster, and then hit E another time to get that, and then hit E again to get that. Now, what I'm going to keep in mind, I'm not going to try to make this super detailed. I mean, bolt gun's not detailed at all, but like, I'm not about to like just go all out and like make this crazy good because no. So I'm just gonna hit. So I highlighted the face in the bottom. I'm gonna hit E to extrude again. Doop, E again. Doop, E again. And now what I can do is get the holster. Ugh. Ah, no! I'm going to inset this. So I'm going to hit I for insetting. So that way there's no clipping. And then let's see if I can move this on the X, which I can. Oh yeah, not detailed at all. Shut up. E to extrude. That. And then E again. And then E again. Boom. Around there. I'm just going to do some vertex editing, but very little. Now I'm going to have to go. I'm going to round some of this out. I'm going to hit 1 to get my vertexes. GY to move it down like that, because that's how the bolt gun has to look. Yeah, 3. I'm gonna hit E to extrude that. E again. Boop. And then E a third time. And then fourth. Okay. Now I can try to semi-make this bolt gun look bolt gunny. I'm going to grab these 4 verts and move them in on the x-axis. And grab these 2 verts, move them even further. Nope, I didn't mean scale. Move them in on the x-axis around there. I wish there was a better way we could. Anyway, grab these 2 verts, move them on the x like so, and I'm going to keep doing that just to get them, just to get that semi-bolt gun shape. So let's keep doing that. GX. Oh, there we go. GX. That. GX. Move that in. GY. GX. GX. GY. GX. There we go. Now we just did this. GX. GX. And we just keep going. GX. Right around there. As far as the clip is concerned, yeah, alright, we'll do that. So I'll inset again. Not like that. Well, actually, yeah, alright. And that's probably, hopefully that's, nope. Hopefully that's my sis saying she'll be in soon, or she's probably running late. Anyway, we're going to extrude this again. Douche. And then extrude. Douche. And then extrude. Douche. And then yeah, extrude again. Douche. And we can basically vertex this out. GX. 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 Let me go around this out. GX. Yeah, no. GX. Huh? Wait a minute. GX. And then shift. Oh, I'm holding down shift to, yeah. I think that's a given. You did show that off last time. Yeah, that's true, but yeah. That's not a... I mean, it's looking like a bolt gun, but, you know. Alright. I'll extrude it some more, you fucking dick. Hey, you're the one that... Don't blame me. You're the one that's, like, doing it. Shut up. That should do it. Are you sure? Yes. Because in all honesty, if they want to make this bolt gun look really, really super bolty, they can. I'm not going to. Because the only other thing I wanted to show off is how to, not bevel the edges, but assign materials. Oh, I mean, okay. Are you at least going to do the grip? No. So, now that we have that done, I'm going to slap an ugly looking texture on this. Matter of fact, I'm going to go into here, and I'll hit all, I'm going to unwrap. Where's Smart UV Project? Not. Okay. But, and this is a big but, I want to assign a specific thing. I want to assign some faces. So I'm going to take these faces, right? I mean, first I'm going to go... Do I even want to Yucca paint? No. Scroll down. We're going to make a new material. Okay, seriously. This is really weirding me out. What is going on with my interface? I think I know what it is. All right. Didn't you update your thing? Yeah, I did. So I'll have a principled shader, and the color, I'll just make it. Ugh. Okay. All right. I'll make it blue. I'll make it green. Because now I can just show off how to assign the material and then assign certain polygons, and then we can head out because the NVIDIA shader thing happened. So I'm gonna hit new. So I hit this plus sign in the material tab, and I hit new to then I'm fine with it being principled. I'm just gonna hit 3. I'm gonna grab a couple of faces, just these 3, and then I'm gonna hit assign. And now I can change this to blue. Motherfucker. Let me undo that. My bad. In my haste, I forgot to actually click on the material. So I'm going to click on these 3. And then I'm going to click on the material and hit assign. And I'm going to change the color. Oh my god. To blue. As you can see, and boom. We have 2 different materials on an object. We'll get to the nitty-gritty stuffs later, because I will play around with, like, I'll do another modeling tutorial, just not right now. Like, this was all I wanted to show off, and the interface is all manner wonky because of NVIDIA. So, end it here, narrator. And there you have it. Tune in next week when Doug teaches Blender. Yes.